Hello everyone, Matt here with Torque King. Today's product highlight video is the QU30062 and the QU30063 front disc brake splash shield. The QU30062 fits the right side and the QU30063 fits the left side for 1971 to 1991 Chevy or GMC K30s, K35s, K3500s, and the V3500. It also fits the 1975 to 1993 Dodge W200, 250, 300, and 350 3/4 ton and 1 ton trucks with Dana 60 front axles, either single or dual rear wheels. These genuine Dana Splicer OEM replacement shields are made right here in the USA. Brake splash shields are important. Why? Because they deflect road splash and grit from the brake rotors. These OEM brake splash shields are manufactured with the highest quality standards and will protect your rotors. For more tech notes and applications of this part, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.